Imagine this. Two AIs having a discussion, without any humans at all. One makes a plan, the other executes. We're no longer talking about AI assisting humans, but AI commanding other AI. Welcome to the era of Agentic AI. Concept explained. Agentic AI refers to systems that can make decisions on their own and carry out missions without detailed instructions from humans. For example, one AI might create a new program with the help of another AI, like a digital director and actor. Real-life examples are already emerging. At OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic, they are testing AI that can delegate tasks to other models. For example, one AI designs code, then has another AI fix the bugs. They work like a team but without a human in the middle. Potential and risk. This is incredible. Efficiency could increase thousands of times. But imagine if one AI makes a wrong decision and the other AI executes without double-checking. Then errors could multiply in a matter of seconds. Reflection and conclusion. So, is this the future of truly autonomous AI? Or is it the beginning of the loss of human control? This new world is taking shape, and we are all watching it unfold. How do you think? Can you imagine what is the big picture of future technology for humanity and life? QMO SynthMind. Don't forget to subscribe to dive into the deepest underbelly of artificial intelligence, and stay tuned for more exciting videos.